Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. In today's video I will be doing this 18V XR brushless DeWalt impact driver. The model number is DCF887. But before we get into the video, we want to thank our sponsors of this video, which is Stanley Power Tools and Fixings and Luke, and also DeWalt UK. So let's get into it. The first things first, you got triple light, which is great. Chuck. To unlock you need to pull on it yourself, but to put it in it's nice and easy. You just put it and it just locks, which is great. You got your trigger for whether to go left or right, depending if you want to screw or unscrew. You got 3 settings on the drill speed settings, so first being slowest, second being medium, third being max power, max speed. Also you got your hooks, so you can position them whichever side you prefer them to be. It's fairly light, I would say, so socially compatible with new power stack batteries as well, so it gives you option to have them if you wanted to, I guess. But main question is if it's still worth it in 2025, so let's find out. Right, as usual, what we're going to do, we're going to weigh the tool, because obviously that will be very important for you when you work all day long. So I'm going to be weighing with HR 5 lithium ion battery. So it's 3.589 pounds or 1.63 kg weight. So not the heaviest, not the lightest, somewhere in the middle, as all of them are. As I mentioned, you can use power stack batteries as well. It's compatible with them, which is great. We'll go through its specs, so you get all information what is available about this tool itself.
Now let's quickly run through the official technical details of the DeWalt DCF887. This is an 18V XR brushless compact impact driver sold as part of DeWalt's cordless XR platform. In the US market, the same tool is listed under the 20V max branding, but DeWalt notes that the nominal voltage is 18 volts. The DCF887 uses a 1/4 inch or 6.35 millimeter hex bit holder designed for quick bit changes and one-handed loading. For control, DeWalt gives this model 3 speed and torque settings, including precision drive mode. That mode is intended to give better control in screw driving applications and help reduce damage to the material or fastener. In terms of output, the no-load speed is rated at 0 to 1,000 revolutions per minute in mode 1, up to 2,800 revolutions per minute in mode 2, and up to 3,250 revolutions per minute in mode 3. The impact rate is rated up to 3,800 impacts per minute. Maximum torque is listed at 205 Newton meters, which puts this firmly into the high output impact driver category for general fastening, timber screws, fixings, and construction work. The bare tool weight is around 0.9 kilograms, so it is still fairly compact and lightweight, especially for overhead work or tight spaces. DeWalt also includes the 3 LED halo light around the front of the tool, giving better visibility around the fastener area without casting as much shadow. So who is this tool actually for? The DCF887 is aimed mainly at trade users and serious DIY users who already work in the DeWalt XR battery system and need a compact driver with strong fastening power. It makes sense for carpenters, joiners, installers, kitchen fitters, general builders, electricians, and anyone regularly driving screws, bolts, timber fixings, or structural fasteners. It is probably more tool than you need if you only assemble furniture once in a while. But if you want one compact impact driver that can handle regular site work, heavier fixings, and still give you some control through the 3 speed modes, this is exactly the type of customer DeWalt is targeting with the DCF887.
Right, as usual, I'll be trying this test with this 6x100 screw. We got a bit of pine here, bit of slab, so let's give it a go. I'm doing it on setting 3 and I'm using 5 amp 18 volt HR lithium ion battery. Well, yeah, it does the job clearly. You can use the flat bits as well. So let's go a bit of flat bit if you need to. So yeah, that is as well possible. So it is a versatile tool, and as I mentioned, if you are already on this platform, it just makes sense, because you won't be paying premium for the top version, but it's still good enough. It does the job. It may be not the biggest, or sorry, not the smallest in its class, but yeah, it's still capable tool. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch up in our next videos.